I want to get my girlfriend to ski. I think the RXT 230 is too much ski for her. She's terrified to ride my Superjet. Do you think the Jet Blaster would be a good choice? Yeah, Jet Blaster would be fun. Here's the problem, though. Depending on your girl, a Superjet might be a little too loose. Not Superjet, Jet Blaster. A Jet Blaster might be a little too loose. It might be a little too squirrely for her. I found that the Goldilocks option is usually like an FXHO or a GTI 170. All right, very well balanced. It's not too big. It's not too much horsepower. An VXHO, a VXHO. I found more women love that one or a GTI 170 than anything else. Because a lot of times they're like, I don't want a big monster supercharged thing. I don't want something that's so damn big I feel like I'm driving a bus. An intermediate size machine is typically the right size for the more cautious female rider. All that being said, I mean, if she's like, hey man, I'm super down to like do donuts and be squirrely and loose, then a Jet Blaster might be the right ticket. It just depends. I don't know her. It's just a little hard to say. I would typically go with a recreation model, naturally aspirated. So a VXHO, that's, that's 180 horse. That's a great ski. All right. Or a GTI 170 SE, which I think is a phenomenal ski. Yeah, look at a GTI or a VXHO. VXHO, great. Here's the fun thing about a VXHO. VXHO is the GP hull. It's just a little bit heavier. Okay. It's like a GP, a naturally aspirated GP, just slightly heavier. Okay. It doesn't rattle as much, doesn't bounce as much. Okay. GTI is going to be a lot more stable. GTI is going to have pretty good. It's got a big glove box in it. It's really nice. GTI 170 SE has sound system, swim step, folding swim step. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head. Anyway, I mean, hey, 2020, that was Watercraft of the Year. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.